Let's eat and drink.
Great idea.
What would you like to eat?
Something light and sandwich.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Yes, please, and a bottle of water.
Do you need anything else?
No, thanks.
Do you like hot and spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food very much.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 8 a.m.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is a pizza.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch cafeteria.
What do you like to do after school?
I like to play with my.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings.
Do you enjoy reading book?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What subject do you study at school?
I study math, science, and English.
Where do you like to spend your weekend?
I like to spend my weekend at the park.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is a blue.
When do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
How do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time watching movies.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure, just ask.